Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can install a Whitestone screen protector on your iPhone 12 or your iPhone 12 Pro. Now this is the iPhone 12 Pro that I'm holding. Make sure that you have other parts laid out on the table like this so that it will be easy for you to work on. And also make sure that you have a flat surface table. Now if your table is tilted, then the adhesive or the glue can slide to one side, so make sure that you are working on a flat table. The best way is to put a glue bottle on the table and see if it slides to one side. If it stays still, then you have a good flat surface. First, we're going to use the masking tape, and we will mask up all the buttons on the side, the volume keys and the charging port down at the bottom, so that all the glue will not go into the buttons and cause the button to stuck. So here I will apply the masking tape onto the side button. Now continue to apply the masking tape around the edge of your phone. So covering up all the necessary ports and button. And also do the volume keys as well. Next we're going to use the alcohol wipe and clean the screen. So just give it a quick clean, and then you want to use the dry cloth to wipe off the screen. Next you can use the dust remover sticker to remove any dust on the screen. So after you have finished, do not throw it away because you might need to use it again, because later on some dust might come back, so just leave it and you can reuse it later. Now we put the phone into the tray. Make sure that the speaker or the camera is aligned correctly next to the speaker on the tray, like that. And then we're going to use a masking tape to tape off the earpiece at the top. So just right there. And then we're going to place the top tray on top. Make sure that you put it in the right way. Now at this point, if there is any dust, make sure you use the dust sticker to remove any dust. And then we're going to put the absorber pad on the side. This will help to absorb any excess glue that goes to the side. So just put it onto the side like that. Now insert the pin at the top slot of your device, just like that, and then we're going to place the bridge on top. This bridge will allow you to hold the glue. So we're going to put the bottle, open up the one with the color lid. Don't worry about the liquid spilling out, it will not. So we're just going to screw the bottle into that bridge. Then once you have finished, you can remove the black cap, and once you remove the black cap, the glue will be released onto the screen. Now just wait for around 80 seconds for all the glue to come out of the bottle. So once all the glue comes out, we can now remove the bridge. Just be careful not to spill the glue to the side. Just carefully take out the bridge. And next we can peel off the screen protector and place the screen protector on the tray like that, and make sure the top is resting on top of the pin. Now we need to get the glue to the center of the screen, so push down at the bottom of the tray, and once the glue hits the center, you can then immediately pull out the pin, and then your glue will slowly spread out to the edge of the screen. Now this process can take around 2 minutes, so just be patient and wait for the glue to go all the way outside to the edge of the screen. After that, you can use the UV light to help it cure. So press on the button once for 15 seconds. After that, you can place the UV light to the top or to the bottom for another 15 seconds. So on the top 15 seconds and on the bottom another 15 seconds. After that, you can remove the top tray, remove the pad on the side, and you can remove the masking tape for your earpiece. Now you can remove the phone away from the tray, and at this point in time you can quickly wipe off any excess glue that's spilled to the side. And we will need to put on the UV light on top of the phone for another 60 seconds. So at the top 60 seconds and at the bottom another 60 seconds. This will help cure the glue. Once your glass has bound to your actual device, now you can thoroughly clean off the phone and peel out any masking tape. And then you can wipe off any glue that sticks to the side. And that's it. We're good to go. You can take a look. This is what it looks like. You can see it is stick quite well to your screen. This type of glass is quite smooth and very clear, so it gives you a very clear see-through, so you don't have a problem with having a clear screen. Now the screen is also very responsive with this screen protector. So I'm just gonna wait for the screen to boot up so you can see what it looks like. So you can see it is nice and clear. It is very responsive. So if I try to hold to one of the icon, and then if I drag it around the screen, you can see I have no issues with dragging the icons around the screen at all. Thank you for watching this video guide, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.